We're here with our Lister replica, and I want to talk a little bit about our air intake system. The hood tolerance at the top of the motor is we've taken a few different pieces of aluminum pipe, welded them, ground them flush, and polished them. And then eventually we'll do a final polish and a brush on this, and it'll make it look like a brushed piece of pipe, solid single piece of pipe. This was made out of 3 different pieces of pipe, going from an offset angle to centering, so making a PVC pipe that'll actually fit right in. You could take it to your local welder fabricator and have them make up a pipe for you, or you can go ahead and do what we did, and we're going to order some pipe and weld it all together and get a finished piece made here. Alright, so I got a piece of mechanics wire about there, and this one's going to drop down and in at the same time. So remember, when you're talking about angles, you know, an angled piece of pipe can rotate, so it can give you multiple angles on multiple axes. Just going to measure out these angles with a jig here. So we're about 50 degrees there. And I think we're about 40 or 45. Somewhere in the middle, they'll have to be joined with another angle. Now I've got the wire all figured out. I'm just going to use that for some mock-up pieces here. We're going to cut them long because I'm going to have to trim them to fit as we go here, but it'll give us kind of an idea where we're going to end up. So something important to do while you're doing this is just to clean up the edges and take the burr out. You don't want that to end up inside the motor or the radiator or something. So I'll just clean it real quick here. Alright, so now I'm going to do the next piece, the bottom one, same thing. Just going to keep it about a ½ inch long, and we'll figure out where to go from there. Frame, and it's coming kind of way out into the middle of nowhere. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kick this pipe up right here. So I'm going to take this apart, I'm going to put an elbow on here and start kicking it up towards this pipe. Angle here, but also the angle where it ends up. So I'm going to point it in the best angle that it'll work. I think I'm going to shorten this up just a little bit more so I can get some gap in the bottom underneath the frame here.